Thursday, September 18th, end of the day, and that is just
pretty rough, eh?
yeah. What is this? It's just the cover
This is
for.
the back where the seat goes now.
Oh, okay.
They not only drilled a whole bunch of holes for nothing, but they broke it to boot.
Yeah. So.
Welded and put a piece of metal where it was nothing.
Okay. Well, the cat has found himself a new perch here.
Yeah.
Loves it. So, Dad just ran the cable here, and he's going to do some straightening and welding. A lot of this is just held together by rust. I guess after 50 years, that's what it is for some pieces of equipment. But he's going to do what he can do here. He may even end up cutting that whole chunk out and just putting in a new chunk in, and it might be easier that way. But he's going to put the clamp on it so it doesn't move on him. And oh, but let's take a look at the Muskeg Tractor here today. It's
All
like,
we got done is all the body work is filled.
okay,
Silicone is done all the way around,
and he had to redo the silicone because it leaked.
and it's all vacuumed in there.
Okay,
And mold covered for plywood,
okay,
and this is all vacuumed out.
okay.
And this, I'm gonna wait until tomorrow until it's pure for sure before I start sanding.
Okay. So he's progressed here on the customer's Muskeg Tractor. Like I've mentioned here before, the other one is on hold. And there's Mila.
Oh, damn it, but how come you come so late? Hey? Maine dog was supposed to never have breakfast yet.
Or treats. Okay, we're gonna let Dad feed the dogs. So Dad's just scraping off some of the paint there.
No. Extra,
Or
extra silicone.
right.
They didn't know how to weld it, I guess, once they fucking it up.
Okay. So
Some silicone on it.
these are some of the other parts that have to get cleaned up. Some of them belong to this machine, and others belong to our other machine over here. But Dad has started the process of getting everything cleaned up here, and then he's going to do some repairs and some welding, and then he will give it a paint job, and everything will go back onto the machine. And all the dogs have been fed and got their treats. Nina Pinta Santa Maria got her deer treats, and Yeti the Yetters never misses treat time. Hey, buddy. And then Mila just showed up. Looks like gone already. Looks like Charlie and Emily have already taken off too. Oh, no, they're all lying over there in the cool part of the shop. And there's Mila, and there's my Emily. Oh, good kids. Okay, so this is Mila, neighbor's dog.
I just call her Blondie. She was so spooky. You need something? Okay. Now sit down now. Sit down and shake. That's it. The other one. The other one. Okay. Good kid.
There you go. Dad the dog whisperer. Is that what it is? It just needed a treat.
Okay. Sit now. Sit. That's it. Good girl. The other one. That's it.
Well, my cat has found a sunbeam and he's resting.